first today is I'll just run through again very quickly some of the things that we done last time. We'll get this plate up to where we need to put the holes in, and we're going to do them with the hole wizard just to show you how that works. Okay, so just as a refresher, you need to open a new part. And then we want to create a sketch on the top plane. So we tell software we want to create a sketch on the top plane, and then we want to create a corner rectangle that's attached to the origin. Don't worry about size, remember, because we dimension that separately, and tick to say we're finished. And then we want that to be 150 by 46. So we do smart dimension on there, 46 mil. And on the long side, 150. If you remember that, we need the sketch to be all black to confirm that it is fully constrained, and when that's fully constrained we shouldn't be able to move anything at all. That means our sketch is ready to have a feature associated with it. So what we want to do then is go to features, and we want an extruded boss base, and then that needs to be 12 millimeters thick. And click OK. Yep. Then the next thing is we want to put a chamfer, a 3 millimeter 45 degree chamfer around on all four edges of the top. So select all four edges, change that to 3 mil, and tick. If you can get your